Make any place your workspace with the KREG TrackHorse. This sturdy, versatile, and portable work support makes it easy to set up a workspace anywhere and then store it compactly away when not in use. The steel and aluminum TrackHorse is packed with features that take it beyond the capabilities of an ordinary sawhorse to provide solid support for a variety of DIY and woodworking tasks. Those features start with sturdy, adjustable legs. They fold out and lock in place securely and can be set at 6 working heights to match your needs and your tasks. The legs also fold completely away, which allows you to set up a handy ground-level work platform. With the legs folded, the TrackHorse is also easy to transport to wherever you want to work. Built-in dual-mode clamping adds even more versatility. With the included KREG bench clamp, you can hold items in place in the long track, or place the clamp in either end of the TrackHorse for secure vise-style clamping. And thanks to KREG's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, you never have to readjust the clamp when you move from one material thickness to another. In addition to holding the clamp, the track can also be used to mount a sacrificial cutting surface on top of the TrackHorse. Simply attach the included bushings to a 2x4 and then slide it into the track. Now you can cut without worrying about damaging the TrackHorse or your saw. When you want more room to work, you'll appreciate how easy it is to create an expanded workspace. Pair 2 TrackHorses together using the included support brackets and ordinary 2x4s, and you can create a large cutting platform that will support long boards and heavy plywood sheets easily, so you can cut safely and more accurately. Or reposition the brackets and 2x4s, and you can span between 2 TrackHorses with 3/4 inch plywood to create an extra large work table with built-in clamping. That means you can create a big workbench, and a sturdy one that can hold up to 2,200 pounds. The TrackHorse also pairs with the KREG Mobile Project Center in the same ways to give you even more options for creating a sturdy and versatile project workspace that's packed with features. Visit us online at KREGtool.com and learn more about the TrackHorse, as well as our other KREG workspace solutions, so you can create every project with confidence.
Introducing Worx Pegasus, a next-generation all-in-one work table and clamping system. Ordinary work tables can't compete. Pegasus has integrated clamps that hold materials tight at any angle. Steel reinforcement makes Pegasus super strong. To prove it, we had Pegasus support a car. Sets up in seconds and folds flat for easy storage. Strong, versatile, portable. A workspace, any place. The Worx Pegasus.
Welcome to Worx on Amazon.
The Worx Pegasus is a versatile work table that can be used as a portable sawhorse or workbench. The Pegasus holds a variety of materials and can support up to 1,000 pounds. It has a storage shelf for tools and supplies when doing projects and comes with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamping dogs to securely hold all of your materials. Whether you're cutting, sanding, painting, staining, or building, the Pegasus is a must-have work table. You can also easily attach a power strip to power through all of your projects. If more workspace is needed, you can expand your work table by linking multiple Pegasus tables together. Its compact design is perfect for easy transport and storage. The Worx Pegasus is a must-have portable work table whether you're a professional contractor or a DIYer. Get yours today. The JawHorse is the most versatile and feature-filled workshop tools ever designed. It really is that second set of hands you've always needed when doing jobs around the home or your work site. If you have not used your JawHorse workstation yet, you'll be amazed at how easy it makes many of the jobs you once struggled with. Now, let's review the many unique and useful features of the JawHorse. This rugged workstation has all-steel construction to stand up to the most rigorous job site demands. The 3-legged design promotes stability on uneven terrain. The legs can be fastened down when needed. The JawHorse can support 600 pounds of weight. Using the foot pedal up to 2,200 pounds, that's more than 1 ton of clamping force can be applied to the jaws. It can securely hold an amazing amount of heavy or hard-to-manage items like bicycles, doors, and other items in ways other clamps simply cannot do. The clamp can be released with a simple step on the pedal. The jaws feature removable rubber pads to protect the workpiece from being scarred. The jaws are designed so items can be positioned horizontally, vertically, or any angle in between. The JawHorse can hold items up to 37 inches wide by simply reversing the jaw position. Use the optional plywood jaw to extend the capacity to a full 52 inches. The JawHorse makes an excellent clamp for cutting multiple boards simultaneously. The entire JawHorse can be folded into a very compact unit for transportation or storage. Using the front leg as a handle, the unit can be rolled from location to location with a built-in roller.